thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. for northern Christian, east central Caldwell, and south central Hopkins counties. At 1:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carr, or 9 miles south of Dawson Springs, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-located threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Madisonville, Nortonville, Crofton, St. Charles, and Hawkins.
What?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, and Hopkins. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Man, I didn't get that one. Oh. What was that? If that's another one that I'm gonna get, then so be it. Oh, I got Spire for Caldwell.
Storm warning remains in effect of the county. The original severe thunderstorm warning for the rest of southern Caldwell County will be allowed to expire. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Caldwell, Kentucky. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County will expire at 1:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm continues west of Hawkins in Christian County. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for this portion of the county. The original severe thunderstorm warning for the rest of southern Caldwell County will be allowed to expire. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Caldwell, Kentucky. Significant weather advisory.
Yup.